Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a full-line channel specialist, and I'm going to share with you my tips when I travel home for Thanksgiving. The toughest part of Thanksgiving for me is cooking. I am definitely not a chef. That's why I always sign up to bring something that's a family favorite, like my broccoli cheese casserole. I like to shop for my supplies before I leave town so that when I get to Chicago, all I have to do is bake, so I make sure to put everything in my market tote set so that it's easy for car travel. I love the update to this year's market tote because it comes with 3 more bags on the inside. When I travel home for Thanksgiving, I try and see as many friends and family as possible. I love to bring a hostess gift with me. My go-tos are a small plant, but my favorite to bring is a bottle of wine. I always bring an empty market tote with me for all the extra stuff I accumulate along the trip. The best part about going home for Thanksgiving is indulging in all of my favorite foods. Oven space is always hard to come by on Thanksgiving, so I like to be prepared and make my dish ahead of time. Everything stays warm when I get where I'm going, and I actually can fit 2 casserole dishes for my large family. My favorite bag to pack in for a weekend road trip is the large duffel. I'm an overpacker, so it fits all of my outfit options, and I can put in my curling iron, all of my cosmetics, as well as my toiletries. I'm going to be bringing a pair of slippers to actually leave at my sister's house so that the next time I travel in, my bag will be even lighter. Oh, and one more thing. I always travel with my mini steamer, which fits really nicely in this outside pocket. One of my favorite new pieces is this iconic compact hanging organizer. It's just large enough to fit all of the essentials. I love traveling with a crossbody, and my favorite one is the triple zip hipster. It's large enough for a full-size wallet, and there's this hidden pocket on the back that perfectly fits your cell phone. Something that always comes along on every road trip is my fleece travel blanket. I love that it folds into a pillow because I am not the best co-pilot. I always take a nap. Oh, a pumpkin spice latte. Black Friday, keep it traditional. Oh, mashed potatoes. Thanksgiving, can it be a tie? Anything you can pour gravy on. And those are my tips for traveling home for Thanksgiving.